Spicy.
All right, so on our first segment today, Joel, Stump the Theologian.
Okay.
We have
All right.
searched high, we have searched low,
You ready?
and we have found a question that needs to be answered.
Okay.
So, today's question,
All right.
coming in from one of our favorite viewers, no names will be given.
Grandma. Okay.
Here's the question. How can we see distant stars in a young universe?
Oh, right.
Yeah.
So yeah, the idea is that, counting up the chronology that the Bible gives, you're roughly going to get like 6,000 years. There can be a little give and take there, but it's not going to be like far off of that at all. And so then we see with the technology we have today, we can see light from these stars even that are so many millions, billions,
trillions of light years away. However far.
So that's the idea. So then you go, wait a minute. So millions of light years.
That means
That
it
sounds
took
like millions of years.
for the light to get here. That idea, yeah.
So
sure.
that's
the idea behind the question.
The first consideration is that light year is distance, not time. Okay. So, distance equals time over rate. Simple math equation there. So you can interchange any of those letters in the formula to figure out the other ones. The idea is that distance doesn't necessarily limit time, okay? It depends on the rates. So how fast does it go? A light year is how fast light goes, like in a vacuum. And so how far that goes. Well, there's a lot going on out there in space. And it's not as cut and dry as that. So like, let's say it goes through maybe some gas or something else that we don't even know about out there. It could, things could speed up or slow down. We don't know either way. There's lots of times that we say, hey, that looks really far. This is making it short and simple. There's stuff that looks really far away. And then all of a sudden it goes in front of something else that we thought was really close. So there's so much we don't know. There's so much that we get wrong. We keep readjusting. We're trying to figure it out.
Well, can't gravity adjust the speed of light as well, or bend light and all that stuff? So we don't even know the effects that gravity would have on it.
Yes, I think gravity's a big one. I think gravity seems to be a big one, a big factor there. There's a couple different ways it works out. One thing I would want to say is, like, if we see like an exploding star, I think it actually exploded. And so some people would back it up and they just go, well, God is created that way.